care of your brothers.
Take care of your brothers.
Good job.
Good job.
Mike.
What I learned this year is that you always wrap up when you tackle all the time. Pay attention to the coach and get good grades.
Good job.
Good job.
Okay, what do you learn?
I learned that you should never give up. The only time is when you give up is when it ends.
Man, good job.
Go ahead, Terry.
I learned about discipline and working with your brothers. Also, when you, it's good to win, but always when you lose, you learn from your mistakes.
Good job. Go ahead,
You leave everything on the field, and because you don't know what's when it's your last time playing.
Let's go. We want to hear from the tiny Mike. This guy, man, he said
This guy right here, he's not supposed to be playing with us.
Tell us what you learned this year.
What you learned, Quay?
Never give up and keep trying, no matter how small you are or big you are.
That's right.
That's where heart comes from. That's why I do that. To see where your mind is. You guys understand that?
Yes, coach.
Like coach said, hey,